Hi, this is Mike Frank. I'm a MySQL Product Management Director for Oracle. And today I'm going to talk about using the MySQL roles and specifically set roles to enforce least privilege principles. So with that, let me show you what I've got. So in this case, I've got a case where I've got two schemas, inventory and order. And just for demonstration purposes, I've created tables in each schema with some data. And then I created a role, order role, that has permissions, on the order schema, order details. And equivalently, I've created the inventory role, which also has, permissions on that table. After that, I granted, these roles to two different users. One user, order and inventory, has access to both of these roles, right? So this user can get to both, and this order only user can only get to the orders. And so I've set these roles as default. And so what that means is that when the user logs in, they're going to have inventory role and order role for the order and inventory user, and the order role for the order only user. And so let's log in. All right, so I'm logged in there as order only, and I'm going to log in here. Okay. So first, let's just, we can look and see what each user has. So let me show you. Right, so there's the user and their current role, right? And so I can see that order and inventory has both the inventory role and the order role as their current role. And I can see that the order only role only has order. And so now if we go in and we run this test here, so I'm going to run, first I'm going to run a selection on inventory schemas, right? And order only can't read it, right? But the order and inventory user is able to see both, okay? And then I'll run a select on order, and of course the order only user can see it, but then so can the user with both roles. Now, say you have an application and users are coming into it, and there's an order application and there's an inventory application. It's always good to limit the access for that application based on what it needs to do. And so if a cyber criminal or somebody tries to do SQL injection or something like that, if you've limited and set the role inside the application, you've reduced the privileges that that application has. And so what we can do is inside our application, when this inventory and order user wants to is running the order application, we can just say, look, you've just got the order role now, right? You don't have the inventory role. And so now if I try to access inventory, it's going to be denied. But of course, I can still access the order role. And so this is a quick demo. This is a great way to uh, either escalate or de-escalate the permissions of a user by defining roles and